Action!
Camera time, camera time. It's not hammer time, it's camera time. You can't touch this. Yes, you can. You can't touch this. Oh, yes, you can. Hi, guys, I'm back. Had dental surgery there, and I can't drink or eat for 14 days from the date of surgery.
Oh, you can eat.
I can eat baby food. No, I don't eat baby food. I've been eating mashed potatoes and macaroni and cheese, and I had soup, and I had hamburger chowder. That's corn chowder with hamburger in it. Yeah, that was really good. And I can't drink for another 9 days, 14 days. You should see all the medication they have me on. I'm taking so much medication that I feel like I'm a pharmacy. And that's not right. I can't give you guys any shout outs today because I've been just vegetating. I've been sitting on the couch vegetating. So I'm just going to do a quick one because Karen wants a cocktail. She demanded a cocktail, and I said, no, no, no. Oh, yes, yes. So I can't drink, but I can watch her drink. Does that make sense?
Yeah, does.
No,
Does to me.
Doesn't make sense.
Oh, yes.
Since Karen likes Cosmopolitans, I'm going to make her a white Cosmopolitan. And what is a white Cosmopolitan, you say? I don't know. It's a white Cosmopolitan. And I am going to put a ½ ounce of Cointreau. No, I'll put 3/4 of an ounce. 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau. Two ounces of vodka. Two ounces of white cranberry juice. And I'm also going to put in a squeeze of lime. Mommy Karen is going to be drinking cocktails and I have to sit out. So anyhow, you know, having dental surgery is not a good treat. It's not a good treat. And Karen's even got her garnish on there. She put it on there, Teresa. She pre-put it on there so she makes sure she gets it. And there's her white Cosmopolitan. Whoa, you just look at that. You just look at that. And there you go. I'd sample it, but right now, I got to buzz with my cuz. Don't forget, get a vaccine, wear a mask, social distance, call your mama, Cocktail Tony, over and out.